You will love this beautifully maintained one-story home filled with natural light. Located in the exclusive gated community of Pembroke Shores in West Pembroke Pines. Situated on a large private fenced lot, this spacious home features a desirable triple split floor plan with 4 bedrooms, 3 full bathrooms, soaring ceilings, a family room, living room, and formal dining room. The updated open-concept kitchen offers quartz countertops, wood cabinetry, and stainless steel appliances. The primary bathroom has been tastefully renovated with high-end finishes. Additional features include a separate laundry room with utility sink, laminate wood flooring throughout, neutral colors, accordion shutters and front and back impact doors, and lush tropical landscaping. Relax by the sparkling pool or entertain family and friends in the covered patio, perfect for year-round barbecues. Located within an A+ rated school district and conveniently close to shopping, dining, parks, major highways, Fort Lauderdale-Hollywood International Airport, and beautiful South Florida beaches. Don't miss the opportunity to make this exceptional property your next home.